Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma announced the state government's plans to collaborate with the Union Ministry of Skill Development to support skill development programs for Meghalaya's residents. He also highlighted recent achievements in sending skilled workers from the state to Japan for healthcare services. Sangma expressed his hope for continued support from the Union Ministry to further enhance the skills of Meghalaya's workforce.
We had a meeting with the Ministry of Skill, and we met the Honourable Minister for Skill and for Entrepreneurship, and we have discussed about the different programs that we are running in the state, and that we would wish to collaborate with the different programs of the central government's ministry in terms of skill, and how we could converge and work together. At the same time, also ensure that more projects that are state specific and more inclined towards the kind of skills required in Shillong and in the state of Meghalaya could be taken up. We had discussed on those aspects, and we also discussed about the opportunities that existed for our skilled manpower in different parts of the world, and I had shared with him the experience from Japan, and also shared with him that we expect many more nurses to go, as well as other skilled manpower to go to other parts of the world, and that we would require the support of the ministry